All right, here we have a review of a Great Custom Belts CNC WWF Big Eagle. I just received this today along with my classic WWF tag belt, dual plated. And overall, I am very happy with my purchases. I'm just going to review this Big Eagle here, show you everything I like about it, a couple things I would recommend to him to improve. But overall, I'm very, very happy with this purchase. I will tell you, it was cheaper than the new WWE Shop Big Eagle belt that they just released. Cheaper. I would say more accurate. It's got the real WWF scratch logo on it. World Wrestling Federation. Deeper etching. Real leather. Can't go wrong. Great Custom Belts knocked it out of the park here. I'll go over some details with you, but let me show you here. Nice texturing. You can see the words there, the lions. WWF logo with the texturing behind it. JMR 2K logo plate. Snap box. I would recommend to him in the future. There's basically no texturing here in the snap box. I know it had a light texturing. I believe it did, at least. Also the WWF stamp, if you can see, that goes around the belt. Very, very lightly. I would recommend to him to stamp it deeper if he can, because it's kind of hard to see at some points. So that's one recommendation I would make. Nail snap boxes. Again, this belt came up on his Facebook page. It was already in stock. I didn't have to wait. He was selling it. Decided to go for it. Quick shipping, packed nicely, along with my tag belt. And I'm really happy. Again, I discussed this in my tag belt video. With the CNC belt, some people complain that, well, it's too perfect, or the edges are too perfect of the etching. You can see here, like when you have an acid etch belt, it kind of, you can see like the ridges of the acid etching, gives it a different kind of look. This sometimes seems too perfect for some people, but I like it. It's kind of like the way the WWE Shop belts look, you know, machine made, but you're really only going to notice that up close. But I like the curve on this. It's not too flat. I like how it has a slight curve, because the real one has that curve. It makes it almost look kind of oval, but this has a very nice curve. Let me just go over the plates with you. Again, I want to get this outside in better lighting, because I really like how it looks outside. There's the leather. Again, no texture here in the snap boxes. WWF stamping. Could be a little deeper. Here's the stones. Again, look how deep it is. Got the lion, the WWF crest, texturing. We got the painted in sidebars, just like the real one. I like the color of the blue they used here, the light blue, accurate. Couple little, like with the stones, looks like glue overrun. I'm gonna try to get that off. One thing I don't love are these stones here. Kind of like has the flat top and you can kind of see where it's drilled down. I don't really love that. I would recommend, I don't know an alternative, but there's something different you can do. It kind of stood out to me the moment I opened the belt. I don't know if I can change it myself. Maybe I'll look into it, but like this one here, I don't really like that stone. WWF logo. It's nice to see that on there, not WWE. I have a WWE shop block logo, Big Eagle. I will take out one day to compare it to this side by side. Side plate, the line with the crest, it's got the accurate art with the dagger on top. You can see the lion, it's pretty clearly, the lettering. Again, same side plate as the other side, the WWF logo. One thing, I'm not sure the accuracy of this. It seems a little big. I don't know for sure though, maybe someone knows better than me. Like, I don't know if this should be slightly smaller. It seems kind of big, but maybe it is accurate. Doesn't bother me either way, but leather's flexible. Again, not the best leather I've ever held, but for the price, it's great. He did edges nicely. Very nice edges. Flip it over for you. Nice curve. There's a bolt there in the middle. Overall, awesome purchase. Again, great custom belts. Highly recommend dealing with them. Great prices, good service, communication was good, very friendly, quick shipping. Again, both of these belts I purchased were already in stock, so I can't speak to the length of time it takes to make one if you're ordering something that's not in stock, but this was in stock. He shipped it quickly and it got here in a few days. Thanks for watching.